Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best coffee enema is probably one of the most talked about alternative therapies for detoxification, but does it really live up to the hype? Today, we're diving deep into the world of coffee enemas, exploring their purported benefits, potential risks, and everything you need to know before trying this unconventional method. We'll examine the science behind it, look at user experiences, and help you decide if a coffee enema is right for you. Number 5. Smokitcen Enema Kit. This kit is designed for convenient and comfortable at-home use. It's made with high-quality, health-safe materials for your peace of mind. It features a 2-quart, food-grade stainless steel bucket, and includes pure silicone and BPA-free PVC components. This ensures a safe and hygienic cleansing experience. The kit is incredibly user-friendly, making colon cleansing simple and comfortable. It's suitable for various enema types, including coffee enemas and water cleanses. With 3 soft, flexible tips and 2 colonic irrigation nozzles, you can choose what's most comfortable for you. They're reusable and made without BPA or phthalates. The 6.3-foot silicone tubing includes a flow control valve. This lets you easily adjust the flow rate for a more pleasant experience. It's perfect for various cleansing methods, from coffee enemas and Gerson therapy to simple water cleanses. It can even be used as a hot or cold water bucket. What we like? This kit is made of durable, high-quality stainless steel. It's designed for ease of use, even for beginners. If you value hygiene and multiple options, this is the perfect choice for your needs. What people say. The stainless steel bucket is well made, sturdy, and easy to clean, definitely a step up from plastic alternatives. The 2-quart capacity is perfect, and the kit comes with everything you need to get started right away. The tubing and nozzles are high quality, and the flow control works smoothly, making the experience simple and stress-free. So glad I invested a little bit more in a good bucket. This plug on this bucket is amazing. You just got to figure out which direction does what, down facing is plugged then up is open, and you can easily adjust how rapid the flow is. Number 4. Cor-Vital Coffee Enema. It's 100% non-carcinogenic, mold-free, and fungus-free, making it the safest option for a coffee enema cleanse. Enjoy a clean and effective detox. Experience fast results. It works quickly to detoxify your blood and reduce the toxic load on your liver. Add it to your cart today. This therapy roast coffee enema supports your health journey. It helps improve your mood and sleep quality for a better overall well-being. It boosts your energy levels and eliminates harmful toxins. Unlike others, it won't leave you bloated and has no side effects. It's 100% USDA certified organic, guaranteeing no harmful pesticides or fertilizers were used. Get yours now and experience the difference. What we like? This 100% organic coffee is mold-free and ensures fast detoxification. It's approved by the Gerson therapy. If you prioritize organic ingredients and quick results, this is the coffee for you. What people say. This product comes with specific brewing instructions and a description of the green coffee product. Previously I had been using store-bought organic coffee and brewing it in my coffee maker. This product is grown especially for enema use and far superior in its effectiveness. It lasts a long time and is well worth the price. It didn't cause the cramping I had experienced with another product. This is a light roast, thus retains the oils used for detoxification. Smells like roasted nuts, not like traditional coffee. Easy to prepare and use. The coffee is light in color, little to no smell and easy to work with. I used the Gerson method kit with this coffee and have not had any discomfort, issues, etc. Number 3. KYZETJD Enema Bag Kit. It's made from premium imported rubber and medical-grade silicone for your safety and comfort. You can trust its durability and hygiene. This complete kit includes everything for a safe and effective at-home enema: a 2L bag, tubing, a hook, and 5 different nozzles. Everything is ready to go. With its generous 2-liter capacity, it provides ample solution for a thorough cleansing experience. It's designed for your convenience and effectiveness. The yellow valve gives you precise control over the flow rate, ensuring a comfortable and safe enema. Adjust the speed to your preference for a relaxing experience. It's suitable for various enema types, including coffee enemas, water cleanses, and other colonic hydrotherapy methods. It's a versatile and adaptable solution for your needs. This kit makes at-home colon cleansing easy and convenient. Enjoy a comfortable and effective enema in the privacy of your own home. What we like. This enema bag offers a large capacity and is made with soft, medical-grade silicone. The controlled flow valve ensures a comfortable experience. If you prefer a larger capacity and a comfortable enema process, this is the ideal option. What people say. The tube and bag are surprisingly sturdy, because let's be honest, you don't want any technical difficulties mid-cleanse. The coffee sediment grounds do not stick to the vinyl, so no more having to clean the bag. Nor do they stick to the hose, which is clear. The tips are awesome. They are very smooth, soft, but firm enough and takes no effort for insertion. Number 2. Purelife Enema Coffee. Introducing Purelife Enema Coffee, a superior liver detox solution. It's 100% USDA certified organic and third-party lab tested to ensure purity and quality. This light air roast method ensures a smoother, cleaner taste and eliminates any burnt residue. It's the purest enema coffee available. The medium grind is specially designed for quick assimilation, making it an efficient and effective choice. Enjoy the benefits without the wait. It's roasted in a GMP-certified facility, ensuring the highest standards of cleanliness and safety. You can trust its quality and purity. Purelife is an American-owned and operated company, committed to providing high-quality products since 2012. Support American businesses and experience the difference. For your peace of mind, it undergoes rigorous third-party lab testing. This ensures it's free of all contaminants, including heavy metals. Made with only the finest 100% USDA certified organic specialty grade Arabica beans. Experience the superior taste and quality. What we like. This coffee is 100% pure and undergoes a unique air roasting process. It's third-party lab tested for purity. If you are looking for the purest enema coffee available, this is your best bet. What people say. I've been buying Purelife brand coffee for therapeutic enemas for years now. I know it works. How, you may ask? Because you can hear your liver gurgle and purge, which is exactly the desired effect of therapeutic coffee enemas. Purelife makes several roasts. Keep in mind the light roast is great, but it will technically have more caffeine in it because it is light roast and this can keep you awake at night. I have now purchased this product 3 times and I love it. It's gentle but definitely cleans you out. I tried another one and didn't like it near as much, so I'm back to this one. My doctor said I've got some crazy healthy liver levels, and I think it's all due to this and herbs I take from organic India specifically for liver and kidney. Number 1. Cor-Vital 5 pounds Coffee Enema. It's 100% non-carcinogenic, fungus-free, and mold-free. This makes it the safest and cleanest coffee enema option available. Experience fast detoxification. It works immediately to cleanse your blood and reduce your liver's toxic load. Take control of your health with this therapy roast coffee enema. It promotes better mood and sleep. Boost your energy levels and eliminate harmful toxins. Unlike others, it won't leave you bloated and has no side effects. It's 100% USDA certified organic, guaranteeing no toxic pesticides or fertilizers were used. Order yours today. What we like. This large quantity of organic coffee is mold-free and provides a cost-effective solution for regular use. It's perfect for those committed to regular coffee enemas and seeking value for their money. What people say. Professionalism is second to none. Cor-Vital Detox Coffee is like no other coffee, and is still the best even more than ever during the COVID-19 pandemic. Have I tried other coffee or brand? And my answer is no. Well, you may ask why or how do I know Cor-Vital is the best? Well, I know because I have been doing detoxification for a little over a year now and I can physically see a difference in the way I look and feel. The fact that I look and feel better is 100% reason enough for me to not switch or try any other brand because Cor-Vital does what need to be done. My skin is clear and my headache last are now gone, they are no more. Update 2019, I'm now very satisfied with this product and have continued to use it for years. I like that it doesn't smell bad when cooking the coffee. Appears to have much less side effects than other organic, dark coffees I've used. My electrolytic balance is not upset through its use. The process is calm and complete. I don't feel as if I've gone through any trauma nor do I feel any after effects of caffeine as in the past. There is a difference in coffees for suited this purpose, and this brand seems to be a cut above whatever I was using in the past. The purported amount of cafestal, the helpful ingredient naturally occurring to a greater degree of unfiltered, boiled coffee, is higher in this brand, and that translates to greater wellness. The company follows up on emails and tries to assist the customer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.